To remove the bassinet fabric, first detach the carry handle and take off the canopy. Unzip and remove the apron. Lay the bassinet on each side and unfasten the buttons, then lift the fabric up and over the feet. Place the bassinet upright again and detach all Velcro straps, starting from the head and working your way to the end of the bassinet, lifting the fabric up as you go. Now, remove the mattress and detach the stiffeners at the head and bottom of the bassinet. Lift the board out and you are done. To reinstall the bassinet fabric, insert the board in the bassinet. Lift the outer layer of the bassinet fabric and secure the Velcro straps to the frame, starting at the foot end, then the sides and finishing at the head. Adjust the outer fabric around the frame. Secure the stiffeners to the board. Then lay the bassinet on each side to adjust the fabric at the bottom. And close the buttons on both sides. Place the mattress back inside and zip the apron closed. Finally, attach the carry handle and the canopy.